Red.
Red. Can you say, I like red?
I like red.
Okay. How about your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? Fruit.
Ano po? Apple.
Apple. Wow. Okay, you say, I like apples.
I like apples.
Wow, very good. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
Dog po.
Dog. Can you say again? I like dogs.
I like dog.
Oh, I like dogs. I like dogs.
I like dogs.
Do you have a dog?
Yes po.
You have a dog? Really? May aso kayo?
Namatay na po. Namatay ni Ate Joy.
Why did your dog die? What happened? Anong nangyari? Nagkasakit? I think I saw that one from your ate's picture. Yung brown? Brown ba yon? Brown ba yon o gray?
Puti.
Puti ba? Puti ba?
Opo. Tsaka black.
Puti at saka black. Namatay na? You get another one na lang next time. Aliyah has a dog also. Aliyah, where are you? Come here. Come here. You talk to Ate Juliet. You sit beside me first.
Ate Juliet.
Ayan, oh. Sino yan? Sino yan sila? Ates? Ates. Hello, ate. Saglit. Tatanggalin ko yung tab na yan. Can I watch? Can I watch? You say hi to them first. You talk to them.
Hi. What do you want from me?
Ate, how are you? Ganon.
How are you?
Did you eat na?
Did you eat? I eat.
I eat. What did you eat? Si Ate Juliet. Hi, Ate Ivy.
I have some cupcakes.
You have cupcake? Oh, you wanna give Ate? But Ate is very far.
Where do you live?
In Pangasinan. Huh? In Pangasinan. Okay?
Where's your daddy?
Where's your daddy, Ate? Where's your daddy?
May ginagawa siya.
May ginagawa daw yung daddy niya.
Where daddy's working.
Where is your daddy working daw? Nasaan daw nag-work si daddy mo? Sa bahay?
Opo, nasa bahay.
Nasa bahay? Anong ginagawa?
Tulungan po si Mama Billy gumawa ng bahay.
They're making a house. They're building a house.
Kasi their house pangit. Like the dog.
They're fixing the house to make it beautiful. Okay?
Okay.
Say, I love you, Ate.
I love you, Ate.
See you.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ate Juliet.
Drink water.
Drink water. Dahan-dahan. Matapunan yung laptop natin. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. Sige na. Malis ba si Pampan?
Pinasa niya yung module niya, Ninang.
Module niya. Ano na bang grade ni Pampan?
Grade 12 po.
12 din siya. Magkaklase kayo?
Grade 11 ako, Ninang.
11 ka ba?
Opo.
Akala ko 12 na.
Tapos si Ate Joy college.
Anong gagawin nila